Welcome to Simply Cap Apple. In this video I will demonstrate cap dictation, period. Dictation is one of the new features added to the third generation iPad, period. Dictation will allow you to use your voice to type in any app that uses a keyboard, period. Essentially, comma, when you speak, the words you say will be entered as text, period. One of the criticisms of the third generation iPad is the absence of Siri. While full-blown Siri is not available on this generation of the iPad, the dictation part of Siri is available. This dictation feature is quite accurate, extremely easy to use, and can save a great deal of time. In order to use this dictation feature, it first must be enabled on your device. To make sure the dictation is enabled, go to the Settings app. Make sure that General is selected in the left-hand column, and in the right-hand column, scroll down to where it says Keyboard and select that setting. Now that you are in the keyboard setting, find where it says Dictation and make sure the toggle switch is turned on. And when that switch is turned on, dictation is enabled. In addition, in order to use dictation, the iPad must also be connected to the internet. And in this example, my iPad has been connected to the internet. Now that our device is set up, we can now utilize dictation with any app that uses the on-screen keyboard. I am going to use the Pages app to demonstrate dictation. From the on-screen keyboard, tap the dictation button that looks like a microphone just to the left of the spacebar, and then dictate. And when you have finished, tap that same dictation button. Let's go ahead and give this feature a try. I like to eat apples, period. And as you can see, the dictation feature is correct. But you might have noticed there's a blue line under where it says apples. This is because dictation is not sure if I'm referring to the lowercase apple or an uppercase apple as in the name of the company. In this case, however, dictation is correct. Let's go ahead and try another sentence. I love Apple products, period. And once again, you can see that dictation is correct and Apple has been capitalized. You may have noticed that I said period at the end of both sentences. This is because dictation needs a little bit of help with punctuation. So if you want to add a comma, say comma. If you want to add a period, say period. And dictation will add punctuation for you. This also works for other forms of punctuation as well. Let's go ahead and enter a brand new sentence. I am using the Pages app. And as you can see, dictation worked exactly how I said it. However, there's no period because I didn't say a period. And the name Pages should be capitalized since it's the name of an app. So let's go ahead and try this sentence again. And this time, let's see if we can make it go right. I am using the Pages app, period. This time around, you can see that dictation is correct. There's a period at the end of the sentence, and Pages has been capitalized. Which brings us to some formatting considerations. If you want to capitalize certain words, you have to add the word cap in front of it. In the previous example, we said pages. However, I said cap before the word pages. So I am using the Pages app, period. Some other formatting considerations include caps on, which is for titles, all caps, which will capitalize the next word, all caps on and all caps off are essentially your cap locks, no caps on and no caps off are the exact opposite. Spacebar, which will insert a space and can be used to prevent a hyphen, and no space for when you want to put words together. These are just a few of the considerations. In addition to caps and punctuation, you can also create new lines by simply saying new lines or a new paragraph by simply saying new paragraph. Let's go ahead and give it a try. I like to eat apples, period. New line. I love Apple products, period. And as you can see, it worked out quite well. Let's go ahead and try it with new paragraph. I like to eat apples, period. New paragraph. I love Apple products, period. And as you can see, it added an additional line. Finally, the dictation feature can be used with special symbols. I'm going to use dictation to highlight some of these symbols. Percent sign, new line. Copyright sign, new line. Registered sign, new line. Dollar sign, new line. Degree sign, new line. At sign, new line. Pound sign, new line. Smiley. And as you can see, all those special characters have been added on my screen. What I have highlighted in this video is just a few of the things that you can do with this tool that is now available on the 3rd generation iPad. And until next time, this is Simply Apple.